So in this session we will talk about the Hofstadter formula. Basically Hofstadter formula for the measurement of amplitude of accommodation, because different age of patient or different age of people, the accommodation rate is getting changed, means amplitude of accommodation is getting changed. So as a practitioner, it's your responsibility to, when the patient complain any visual impairment, you have to first calculate their amplitude of accommodation according to their ocular impairment, right, or visual impairment. So just come to the point. Hofstadter formula to measurement from the maximum amplitude of accommodation, average amplitude of accommodation, and minimum amplitude of accommodation. Now there is a fixed formula. You can just simply put their age and find out. If you want to calculate maximum amplitude of accommodation, simply you can write here 25 minus 0.40 into age of the patient, whatever age of patient, no matter, according to your assumption, not your assumption, according to patient information. If we try to average, right, we simply here 18.5 minus 0.30, right, into patient age, right. And what about the minimum? Minimum simply 15.25 into according to the patient age, right. So basically this is the formula we use to calculate the amplitude of accommodation. Now I show you how to you calculate each formula and to find out the different type of age of the amplitude of accommodation. Suppose patient age, I take it example as a 20, right. Simply put it here 25 minus 0.40 into 20, because this is age, means 20 age, right. How we calculate it? Here 25 minus 0.40, if we remove this decimal we can simply write it here 100. 20 we can cut into 5, 8, means we can simply write it here 17, means 17 left, right. This is the form. You can easily use it to find out this one. I think so up to this everybody is clear. Now the second one, how we calculate the average. This is the maximum average about, simply average amplitude of accommodation 18.5 minus 0.30 into age. Age is I already fixed 20, according to you can change it. If this is 20 we can simply put it here 0.30 into 20, again we remove the decimal, we can write here 100, then 5, then 6. What about here? Simply here 12.5. if the age is 20 then average amplitude of accommodation should be 12.5. and what about the next, means minimum amplitude of accommodation at age of 20, we have simply put here 15, right, into age already I mentioned 20, then simply this is a 15, again we remove the decimal, we can write 100, 20, this is 5, 5 means 10. If you don't understand this calculation or 0.25 how we write 100, you can use calculator, or if you know direct multiply with decimal. I think this is very hard to multiply normal value with the decimal, so I just remove the decimal and to write 100, which is easy for calculation. Means if the patient is 20, minimum amplitude of accommodation it should be 10 diopter. If lower than that you can shift into the different stage, might be due to different cause is responsible for the patient visual impairment. So using this technique we can easily measure. So up to this, thank you.